Okay, this is Jordan setting off fireworks. Fire in the hole!
Well,
It's kind of lame.
that was a waste.
You gonna set off another one?
Might as well set off two.
Or grab one of the big ones. That's another thing like I just had.
God, what is that stench?
Rotten eggs.
Yeah. Doesn't smell like rotten eggs, it smells like burning rubber and rotten eggs.
I wish you could smell the rotten eggs in this area.
I don't think Dale got part of that because I moved the flashlight this way.
That's okay. I'm still recording. Just waiting for Jordan.
YouTube?
Yeah.
Sweet.
Mustache shirt.
Look at that stash.
What are you doing?
If that
It's so dangerous.
If that explodes in my face, I'm gonna kick your ass.
I get that a lot.
I got it on video if it explodes.
Yeah. Try to go in my face.
Don't do this.
It's too dangerous. Fire the hole.
I like how you can see all of our ones next to it. That's kind of cool.
Aww.
Wait.
Okay, you can set out the pyro fan though.
Will you record for me? It's still recording, but... What is that?
The pyro flame. The fan.
You know how easy it is to pick the fuse up out of there?
Nope.
Smile, babe.
Nope.
I tried.
And wait.
Fire the hole.
Oh!
Good job.
That's on camera.
Ooh.
That's freaking awesome.
Now it's off.
Pretty colors.
Pretty colors.
God, what the fuck is that stench?
This is our firework fun.
It stinks.
Oh, that is called smoke bomb. Or smoke balls, sorry. Smoke balls.
Hope you guys all had a great 4th.